Good evening, everyone. My name is Mariah Williams. I would like to preface this presentation by saying I have a palate expander. It makes it very difficult to understand me talk, so I'd like to apologize for that. If you need any clarification of anything that I say ever throughout the semester, please feel free to reach out. It's not going to hurt my feelings, and I would like for people to understand what I'm saying. Moving on, I'd like to start with my background. I was born in Texas. I spent a lot of time in Arizona. I also grew up on a cow-calf operation, so raised performance horses. Well, I helped raise them as a child. I currently live in South Dakota. I moved up here in 2018 with my husband. I also work as an emergency department nurse. I've been doing that for about a year. Before that, I worked as a med-surg nurse and also in the OR for about 3 years. Kind of split it about half and half there. I got my BSN from TJC. It's a junior college in Texas, one of the few that offers a full 4-year bachelor's degree. But unfortunately, I am transitioning out of healthcare, and so that puts me as a junior in the CSU agribusiness degree program. I am excited for that to get started, or to continue with that, should I say. And so that kind of pushes me into my career goals section. Like I said, I want to transition out of the healthcare field, but my end goal is to help revolutionize the performance horse industry, mainly specifically geared towards barrel horses and rope horses. And by doing that, I would like to bring better technology, such as better selling platforms, better video platforms, digital marketing, kind of giving a connection for the higher level competitors as well as the everyday competitor. Just that way, if people want to buy, sell horses, trade information tips, it's more of an easier transition to do that for each person. Right now, it's really through Facebook and very few websites that don't have the best technology. And I would like to also on those platforms make it to where if you need to find somebody to market for you, there's a wide option. You don't have to do word of mouth anymore. With that being said, because I do want to make that a business, to bring a digital platform to people, I'm going to need to learn how to communicate. And that's what I hope this class can teach me, especially communicating in a more professional, business-oriented way. Right now, I am very used to one-on-one, giving reports, talking to attendings, talking to residents, talking to families, talking to patients. And I would really like to change how I talk on an everyday basis. But I've talked to a wide array of patients as it is, but I'd like to learn how to connect even more and engage with a broader audience, which I think would help with my business goal. Because in today's age, horses are marketed and sold all over the world. And I'd also like to take from others in this class their experiences, how they communicate, especially if you're not from a certain area or any of the areas I'm from. And I'd like to apply those to my life, to apply it to have better business etiquette with the people I come across. And I would just like for this class to really open my horizons, like I said, and to show me just how much more I can learn and how much more I can achieve with having better communication skills. Other than that, I would just like to say I hope everybody has a great semester, and I would love to learn a lot this year. So thank you guys for listening to me talk, and have a good night.